my box on, which is simply just going to be sliding it up to the pipe and then screwing it to the wall. This is why it would be handy to have 2 or 3 levels to be able to do multiple things at the same time. Probably just going to screw my box onto the pipe and then go ahead and throw your level on top of the box or to the side, however you choose to level out your box. And then go ahead and screw that down. I think I'm on a stud, maybe not. The plan was to hit the studs, but I might be slightly off. I think I'm directly on a screw. Wow, how unfortunate. Wow. All right, so that's not gonna work. Well, I think that one's pretty good, but I will take it off and do probably a couple of box anchors just to make sure. So what you can do is make a couple marks here and then go ahead and take that back off. Seriously, so unfortunate. All right, so once we got that, we're gonna go ahead and repeat the process and just go ahead and follow our hole marks. And then go ahead and pound in your screwdriver to make the perfect size hole. And then take your anchors. And then you are taking your box back up. Put your screw back in, and I lost my bit. Man. All right, so once we got that, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my box screws for the drywall anchors. Box is straight. Go ahead and screw this in by hand. Make sure I don't overstrip it. This wood screw should be enough to hold it, but I just want to make sure. And so it never moves left or right. So that's pretty tight right there. Go ahead and do my next one. All right, so there we go. There's our box. That is nice and straight, pretty straight. Close enough. Mounted our box. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. See you in the next one. Peace.